Good morning, guys. Mama cleaning papaya, very beautiful big papaya, very yummy. But Mama don't like it so much. Mama don't like papayas. And Papz make for Mama tea. Yes, this tea from Russia. Earl Grey, Greenfield. Yes, bergamot.
Bergamot.
Yes. And for us, Papz coffee. Yeah, that's our breakfast today.
Breakfast is ready.
Look, guys, I think today we are already going to wash here because Papz will finish it soon. How you see, weather become better today without rain. Yesterday almost whole day from morning was rain, very strong rain, and we don't do anything. But I work at home, like edit, yeah, and post videos. And today I wanna help Papz, but I still need to bring their stones. Yeah, I think I will bring stones a little bit later because it's still slippery. If I will going to bring it right now, I can fall down. Look what Mama cooked. It's little squid with veggie and with Sprite. Very nice with Sprite. I like it so much. Yeah. We already a little bit clean here, as you can see. Yeah, it's a little field of raw grass. Yeah, I think today maybe later because very hot right now. We will continue. I wanna clean this area. Very messy. We have there lemongrass, and something else. And also look what happened. Sugar cane fall down to our lot. Yeah. Yeah, we need to do something with this in the future, like put something like a wall or something like that. Then ground and like soil and for grass will not fall down here. What about this one? You will not put it?
No, I take it from here because you don't like spicy.
Yeah, but this one not so spicy. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can put.
Spicy like this.
Not so. Depends on how many food. There's many food, like almost 1 kilo, diba? Of this.
1 kilo. Okay na ni.
Yeah, okay na.
You call Papz na?
Yeah. What are you going to eat on lunch, mate?
This one.
What's that? Introduce your food.
Introduce your food.
Yeah. What you cook for us today?
Pusit.
Pusit.
Adobong pusit.
Mm.
And rice. And we have papaya.
Yeah.
Papaya. And Sprite.
Hmm.
Kau na ta?
Calma. Waiting for Papzy. Papzy there. Coming.
Ты уже зарядил, что ли?
Нет, еще не
10%.
Так, давай. Стоп. Рот открывай.
So right now, my throat, I feel pain in my throat. Maybe because I eat lots of chocolates. Since my cousins arrived from Canada, they gave us lots of chocolates, and also our friend Roman also gave us chocolates. So right now I have tonsillitis, so I'm eating papaya dipped in vinegar with salt. Because before, this is what we eat every time we will have tonsillitis or feel pain in our throat. It's really effective and Islamic. Let's plant it now. Can you bring the green? how. Only 2.
Yeah, can you don't plant all because it will be so many.
Okay.
Guys, look at our kamote, sweet potato, very big, become very big. Actually, there was before like that only. Right now it goes here. Yeah, we really need to plant everywhere kamote. I'm going to plant chili.
Ano mga big?
If Petrovich will not go into poop there, it will be nice.
And I can dig gold here.
Oh, I know, there's gold. We knows about the gold. Mama, don't you tell about gold? What kind of
We have
gold?
gold here.
Mama cook very delicious food. Very delicious food. It's unang. Yeah, I love it. My favorite actually. I'm not joking. Actually, it's my favorite food. I'm always tell Mama cook very yummy food. It's for me because I love unang. Yes, and I love what Mama cook always.
Everything's his favorite.
Yes, what Mama cook. Yes, it's my favorite rice and my favorite papaya. Yeah. And Mama today put okra there. It will be yummy. Yes. Yeah. That's it. Yes, we are ready.
Oh.
In the beach, in the resort. And so soon we'll... Right now we're going to eat. Yeah.
Ay, kuya? Unya? Unya gabi eh?
Mahalibol
tamay? Hi, hi. Ha?
Hi, hi.
Unya.
Какая здоровая рыба, посмотрите. Другая big fish.
We're here at Mohon right now because there's a celebration and there's lechon over there.
Lechon over there.
Yeah.
This is the place where I first time to see corals in my life. Yeah, it's first time in my life I see corals here. Very beautiful there, but very difficult to walk because there's lots of stones. But you can go a little bit there. There's a nice sand beach and you can swim there. There's corals, many corals, and also very beautiful Apo Island.
Okay guys, so today this is gonna be our lunch. Squid bowl and nuggets. And for Vanya, only me and Papz, or maybe Vanya will eat.
Gamay.
He will eat.
Gamay.
He will taste. And for Vanya, he make his own food. It's kamote with onions, and then he will put there century
Tuna.
Century tuna. Century tuna, we always buy your product.
Petrovich, enough.
Shout out to Century tuna.
Petrovich.
This is how we trim a tree without a trimmer, using a saw. Using a husband. This is what tree is this?
Madre di cacao.
Oh yeah, Madre de Cacao.
Sorry, Madre di cacao.
Look guys, Papz already bring water and fix this hole here. Actually, it's rat made. Yes, make nice like a stairs. Then we can go here and no need to afraid to fall down. Yeah, and we have CR. He needs just finish with door, and we can use door. We can use CR. Yes, we can use CR. And right now I'm going to clean area there. Continue. Momai today.
Can you cut this one?
Yeah, I will cut it later. I will cut. Momai today going to plant here kamote. Yes. Yes. She right now cleaning area for kamote.
Rare albino grasshopper.
No, I think it will be half later on. That kind of color.
Good morning, guys. How are you? So look at our breakfast. So we're going to eat eggs, boiled eggs, sweet potato, kangkong and cabbage, and also
Olive oil.
olive. And
No, this for lunch.
for lunch. But you open it. Try to open it.
Yeah, little bit.
Somebody will get crazy. Not yet.
Wait. When smell go to him.
Надо сесть.
I think he get mad at us because we do this. Already many times.
Yeah. There, you smell it. It's crazy of that
Oh.
smell.
Fish.
Look,
I
he's so
like
fat.
fish.
He becomes so fat.
Meow.
Am I going to plant today?
Yeah. But these leaves, we can eat this later. I prepared the area there yesterday. I cleaned it.
Yeah.
And then today, I will plant their sweet potato kamote. Because here, not enough space. And look, it's going to the other side. So I'm gonna cut these things. Honey. It goes to the other side.
Under two.
Yeah. Okay ra na there. It's okay there. Ganira here, and then those things, those, look, show
Yeah.
them.
This one.
Those. I'm gonna cut it, and I will take off the leaves for dinner. Diba, alam ni dinner. And then I'll be planting it there. There, bigger space. And then maybe we're gonna clean more there. And it's gonna be big space. Because I saw in our place in Batohon, in where I was born, the kamote was very really had a big space, really, like almost a very big space, like this from there to there, and it's just crawling and crawling.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
So-
nothing will grow like that.
Yeah, so we really need to have big space for sweet potato. Okay, now, so what I have to do is I will take the leaves off para sa among dinner later. because no need to include leaves in planting. And look, surely it will grow. It already has mga roots. It took a lot because it's a little big, bigger space this time.